Hey everyone, it's Amy here. Thank you so very much for being here with me today. I'm excited to get back into uploading some videos. I've been a little bit behind lately. It's been crazy hot and haven't been able to get up into my studio up on my 4th floor. And I love the results of these bloom coasters. So this is Marte's Titanium White. I have mixed up some pigments by JDiction as well as TLP. So this is the JDiction's Black mica powders. I mixed up a combination 50-50 of their white and their black, and it created this really beautiful silvery gray color. Love how this turned out. And gotta have some TLP's Grenache in there. That red is just absolutely rich, as well as their TLP Comet. It's a red color shift and it is absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. It just adds an amazing dimension to these coasters. And 3 parts Australian floetrol to my Amsterdam's Titanium White. So recently, like I said, it's been a little bit hot here in Ontario. I've also been a little bit down, battling some mental health issues, but as quite a few of you might know, I'm a registered nurse and I work on the front lines on a crazy busy medicine floor. I've also started my own business. I am a subtle body wisdom coach. And in doing this business, I have definitely learned some really great techniques to help with my mental health issues, and in helping others, it seems to help me as well, and has been so much fun. And why not make some money and help others at the same time? So here is that very first bloom. I love layering the colors. I love playing with layering the colors, and especially with that Comet with the red color shift and trying it in different layers. I love how it just comes through regardless. Even just sitting on top of that silvery gray is just so beautiful. Be sure to stay tuned for the dried results of these coasters. I did not varnish, or I did not resin these. I varnished them. I've been a little bit frustrated with resin and decided I would try and varnish some coasters. And they've turned out absolutely amazing, and they make the colors pop almost as beautifully as resin does, with so much less stress that it's just more enjoyable, and I worry less, and I'm too much of a perfectionist, and every little tiny piece of dust that gets in that resin, oh my goodness, is just not good enough for me. And I have found that with being so hard on myself just makes it not enjoyable, and I love to paint, as many of you do. So varnish is the way that I will be going with my coasters from now on. So as I edit sitting here, I have a tiny little patio up here on my 4th floor, and I have the door open, and it's so beautiful being able to listen to the birds chirp early in the morning. It's about 6:15 here. I've been up since 5 a.m. This is my prime time for doing any kind of work and being productivity. I'm still a little sleepy, I'm not gonna lie. You can probably hear it in my voice, but yes, I am just trying to be real and honest. And wow, I love that TLP Comet. It's a color I'm definitely going to be using more. I love their color shifts. The pigments that they have are absolutely amazing. I definitely like them much better than the JDiction pigments, but the JDiction are awesome as well. I do have a coupon code down in the description. So go and have a check of their website if you want to look at any of the JDiction pigments. They are amazing, and I'm repeating myself, and I am sorry for that. I love watching the blowout of these blooms. It's so cool how that Aussie floetrol and the Amsterdam paints just react. The cells are so cool. Hit it with a little bit of heat, blow on it with a straw, get it to react a little bit more, give it a little spin, and the results are amazing. And as you'll see, I do a close-up of the wet results of these 4 coasters, and then I've also done a dry result as well after they've been varnished, so be sure to check that out. So here are the wet results right after I've finished them. Look at that TLP Comet just shine through on top of that silvery gray. So beautiful. I have a thing for red. I know a lot of people don't like to paint with red. I really don't like green. We've talked about that before in a couple of my videos. But red is just, it's a color that I love to wear red. My favorite set of scrubs to wear at the hospital are red. Oh, even on top of that white, you can see that comet shine through there. Oh, love it, love it, love it. And on the white lacing in between the cells, it's just so amazing. Last one here. It's crazy how if you layer the red first, it'll be the dominant color in your bloom. So do remember that whatever color you put down first will tend to be the color that comes through on the top. All right, and here are the dried results with a couple coats of varnish. You'll see how much they shine, just as much as varnish, and oh my goodness, so much less stress. I still covered them when they were wet in between coats because you will still get, you'll still get dust in there, and if you're not careful and you have hairs flying around, like you have women in your house or someone with long hair, there's going to be hairs flying around, and definitely don't want those in your varnish. Love them, love them, love them. All right, everyone, thank you so very much for joining me today. I'm so happy to be back. I'm doing much better. I am looking forward to doing more coasters, more paintings. Check out my website at amysacrylicartistry.com. Check out my Instagram at anxiousamy_IG. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!